What if I told you I made this with AI in 5 minutes? Wait, I can make packaging mockups like this with zero skills and no design background? Absolutely, and in just under 5 minutes using Pacdora. So I literally just clicked on a bunch of buttons and now I have these amazing packaging mockups. And even automated actual measurements and Dielines, which is artwork that you send to printers ready for printing. So hey friends, I'm Kate Silver and I'm absolutely blown away by this tool that I think is a game changer called Pacdora. You can make mockup and 3D packaging design and actual measurements or Dielines ready for printing. And it all takes a couple of minutes using existing templates and AI. And the best part of all is you don't even need to be a designer. You don't need to even have skills in order to do this, which is absolutely incredible. And I really think this is going to be a game changer. So get in the game, get ahead of the game, and watch me show you how to use this incredible tool. So if you want to play along with me whilst I'm talking you through this tutorial, check out the link in the description. And if you're so convinced and you want to get Pacdora, then use my link and you'll get 20% off and I will get a small affiliate commission so you'll help support my business too. Let's support each other. So enough talking, Kate, and let's get back to Pacdora. So go ahead and make an account, sign up to Pacdora, and let's get started. So Pacdora is all about mockups. And if you go over here, you'll see it has a mockup generator, 3D modeling software, AI, and it automatically builds boxes and containers and whatnot, and Dieline template, which is just a word for a template or an outline used in packaging design, just to show exactly where a package will be cut, folded, perforated, glued, and you get the picture. And these are actually exported in AI, Adobe Illustrator, the other AI, PDF, or DXF. So for those Adobe Illustrator users amongst you, you can create templates in Pacdora and edit them further in Adobe Illustrator or send them to printers using Adobe Illustrator. So if you scroll down, you'll see a whole bunch of mockup templates that look awesome. Dieline templates, all the technical stuff and packaging. You get a little preview of the amazing tool, which I'll give you now myself, etc. And even powerful AI background generator, which we'll have a play with together and you'll see just how incredible and seamless it is and real. Right, so let's get started. So let's click on Mockup Generator. And wow, almost 6,000 mockups that Pacdora will give you, boxes, t-shirts and whatnot. And frankly, they look super good, don't they? I literally spent so much time just playing around with these. I just love it. And over here, you can choose between boxes, bottles, food, pouches, cans, jars, t-shirts, etc., devices. So there is plenty to choose from for your design needs. Then you've got Dieline templates. So same thing, you can choose the templates. Now let me show you some of the designs I've been working on. So if I go to Workspace, you can see all my secrets. Just kidding. You can see all the mockups that I've been working with, and excuse my kitschiness and my quirkiness. I just wanted to do something a bit playful and girly and perhaps a bit childish, but I'm sure you can create even better designs than this. So for instance, if I click on this, is one of my designs that I created, which took me no time. So this takes me to the mockup generator. And then over here, I can choose all the different things to play with. But if I click on Adjust Images, then this is where I am in my workspace and I can start editing it. Now, if you don't have an existing design, then you could also just go back to Pacdora and go back to Mockup generator and just choose, for instance, a box or any box, and you'll be exactly where I am over here. To upload images, you would click on upload, and I've already imported some images, but feel free to click on add images and add your own, add your logo, add prints perhaps. So I added a lovely little print over here. And what I love most about this is that this gets updated in real time. You're literally decorating the box as you go in real time. And it's just super easy to crop stuff and align it. And just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Not me getting super excited. And then you can add images and logos, and I just click and add my own little logo. And look how 3D it is. The logo will move along with it, 3D, as I want. So that is just wow. You can even make this a bit bigger so you can see a bit more in real time the 3D. What's also really cool is you can click and drag and move the box around as if it's really there, which is cool. Okay, let's say you're not a designer and you have no idea where to start. What's cool is you can go to Elements, All, and scroll down and you can add shapes, which is cool, like shapes, but we don't need that, delete. And what I love is that you can add packaging symbol. That will help you spare so much time. So if you click on packaging symbol, you can click and drag and it will be added in real time. Obviously it needs to be smaller and adjusted, but I think you get the picture. Now scroll down and you have some more, the famous recycling icons. But scroll down even more and you'll have social media icons. Super cool. And one of my favorite parts is text combinations. So for those of you that struggle with text and combinations and layout, I love some of these Pacdora's templates. For instance, this one, click, and you can just add it here. And if I go over there, there we go. It will look pretty good. Now let's look at another one that I designed. I spent a bit more time. I added some prints and backgrounds, and it just looks really cool, doesn't it? For my graphic design course, I finally have a packaging for my course. Now you can also go to inspirations and add some prints, and that will be a cool layout. Choose from a bunch of these prints, but I decided to use my own print. Now what you can also do that's super cool is add color. Click on this and choose a color and perhaps choose a recommended color. And again, this all gets updated in real time, which I love. You can also change the color of individual parts. So I can just change this face color, make it pink, and just that color gets updated. So you get the picture. This is really cool, isn't it? So let's say we love the design. Now we can click on save. And I'll show you the exporting options in a little minute. But for now, we can go back to my projects and you'll see in my projects the new gorgeous, the new package that we created and all the other packages. So I'm going to choose, for instance, this package that I designed today earlier. I loved it. And this is the pouch and you've got the model over here. So if you want to go back to here, you can choose pouches. It was this one. So if you wanted to design this, go ahead. And I'll show you some saving and exporting, which is really, really cool. So you can minimize this You can zoom in. You can have a play with it, which is awesome. And if we wanted, we could even change the background using AI and add a little color, which is cool. And you can play with AI as well and add some AI images, but I'll show you that after I've showed you how to use export. You're going to want to see this. So click on Super Export once you're happy with your design, and you'll have so many options over here. So you can choose Mockup and you can choose images. So JPEG, PNG, 4K, and whoa, even 8K. That's really good quality. And when you render and export, it will export it in either 4K, 2K, JPEG, PNG. Now for ratio, you can also choose 16:09, which is like your typical screen or YouTube video thumbnail, for instance. So that is super cool. Now, let me show you videos first, because I was blown away by this. Look at that. You can choose from any of these styles, and they just are incredible. The motion, the template, and the mockup all together in one beautiful video. And this one in particular is my favorite. Just think it's super cool and you can see the design very well. And again, you can choose 16:9 or a different ratio, maybe for, TikTok reel or whatnot. And once you're done, you click on Export Now. Now let's look at Dieline. So yes, it saves your file in a Dieline, and I think it looks super cute. Not supposed to look cute, but it does. And it saves it just with all the measurements and artwork ready for printing. So all you have to do is send this to your printers and you can mass produce this. So in color mode, I suggest CMYK because that's a color for printing, but RGB would be for web. And for Adobe Illustrator users amongst you, you can export it in Adobe Illustrator file and even edit it further. Or you can just send the Adobe Illustrator file to the printers and they'll know what to do. You also have the option of doing it with PDF. And last but not least, codes. You can use this video and add it to your website, embed it, and this will look super cool. And it allows you to generate an HTML code. And that's it, my friends. So one mockup. So now the moment we've been waiting for, it's creating an AI background. So let's go ahead and click on AI background over here. And let's click on AI and create background. And just so you know, one of the things I love about Pacdora is it opens up in a new tab, which is always great because you don't lose your previous work. And now you can click on any of these that you like. Let's start with this one and then click on generate. And wow, that looks cool. So they generated 2 different images and I love. So if you wanted, you can go ahead and click on export and export this or back and play with perhaps yet another one. Maybe this and generate. And that looks so cool, so professional, and so real. And again, you don't really need a lot of skills in order to do that. Just a Pacdora membership. Hopefully using my link so you can help my business as well. And perhaps choose this one. And wow, that looks so great, doesn't it? Voila, my friends. So that was it for the Pacdora tutorial, and I hope you are as blown away as I am. Feel free to check out pricing and business and message them for any help you need. So as always, it's been an honor teaching you and guiding you, and I'm super excited to see what you will come up with, what branding and packaging you will come up with.